So, as y'all know, I am in 6th place in this singing contest. Um, y'all, it's so exciting. This is my 3rd year, and I am the highest in the contest that I have been the whole time. So, y'all have gotten me here because, as you know, y'all have to vote in order for me to win. So, this prize for this year is for me to be able to perform as an up and coming artist for a Rolling Stones show, artist showcase, and I'll get $10,000. And Busta Rhymes is the person who is like the representative for the charity part right now. If you go on my profile, you'll be able to see all of this information, and I'll be able to perform in Texas. Not only that, I'll also be featured in Rolling Stones magazine, y'all. That is a dream of mine. And I'll be featured in other artist showcases. Showcases. So, yeah, I ask that y'all go and vote for me. If you donate to charity, it starts off at $10. But if you donate $10, and I have had a number of people to do this, henceforth the reason why I'm in the top 10 right now, and this ends on Thursday. I have to make it into the top 10 in my group in order to continue to move. And this contest ends in September. Okay, so y'all, Rolling Stones, $10,000. I want to meet Busta Rhymes. It's more than a. It's more than about who he is. It's about his music. I'm a music head. I like hip hop, older hip hop. You know what I'm saying? He's an artist, a true artist, and that's what I want to know more about. So if you can, if you will, if you donate $10 to charity, and it's going to a great charity, you can read everything on my profile. You can hear my music there. You can read my goals. A lot about me is there. Go, and if you like my voice, if you like my music, then vote. You know what I'm saying? If you donate $10, they'll give me 20 votes. If you donate $20, they'll give me 40 votes. If you don't want to donate, just click the link, vote one time. You'll verify with your Facebook. I was about to say Cash App. No. You'll verify with Facebook, and then after that, they'll give me the vote. Y'all, I am looking for 250 votes. I am trying to get in first place. Tonight is the night that we are doing double votes for donation votes. If you spend $10, y'all, if I could, then I would do it myself, but it's cheating. But shouts out to Antoinette Rawlings and Rollings and my husband, Timothy Houston, for your cash donations to charity and for boosting me on up in the competition. So, family, cast your votes, please. I know I've sent messages to a number of y'all. Thank y'all for voting. Thank you for taking out your time to try to change my life, to get behind me and push me forward to the dream that I have been chasing after. All this singing that I've been doing, all these covers, all of this from this church to that one, from this stage to that one, has led to this point right now. So with that being said, y'all, I won't hold y'all for too much longer. I just want to say Shalom, family, Thawadai Rabbi, for all of your votes, and I ask that you continue to vote for me until the end of the competition in September. Shalom, family. Te amo.